Hello everyone, today we'll be watching Demon Slayer Mugen Train in 5 minutes. Grab your popcorn, grab your bev, and let's get into the video. Word!
Guys, the Mugen train. God, I just hope that this train doesn't turn into a terrifying monster like
I don't know where they get their voice actors from, but they always sound so funny.
Thomas.
Let's see if they can wrap this all in 5 minutes.
This view is amazing.
Holy poor.
It's night. You can't see shit out there.
So, I can't see anything with this forehead anyways.
Bruh. How can he see?
It's just a girl. Don't
Bruh.
worry, I tied her mouth with a bamboo so she won't make any noise.
We're supposed
That's
to
sus as fuck!
right?
His name is Rengoku, a very wise and disciplined warrior.
Tasty, tasty, delicious, sweet, exquisite, appetizing, yummy, meaty, immaculate, succulent, digestible.
I don't know why that was so funny to me, bruh.
Emil, I'm Tanjiro. He's the annoying one, and
I can't see.
Followed us here.
Yes, I remember you. Your
Bro, you just call him a
is so
bum?
sad that every time I see you, I want to cry. I have face paralysis.
Damn, the silence was kind
I've
of
always
crazy.
Well, I wanted to ask you something.
had. Look forward. Your breath stinks.
Oh,
Damn.
do you know anything about my father? He used to do this weird dance. I did it a few days ago and got fire powers. Since you also have fire powers, I want to know if you...
I have no fucking clue.
Hey, he's just keeping it a buck. Keeping it a buck.
They don't know I'll kill them.
Oh lord.
Inside their drink.
Oh lord. Oh lord.
Ugh, I should get out of here. Breathing here's not good at all.
What?
They on their nappy nap stuff, bruh.
Big brother, did you sell the coal?
Tokyo? Nezuko too?
I'm Shiro.
Dang.
And I'm Hanako.
I thought Michael Jackson killed you!
Bruh.
So, Nezuko, what did you tell your brother so that he doesn't know you're here with me?
I told him I was going to sell coal.
No, Nezuko! Don't sell coal! Bad things will happen!
Don't sell coal.
Go fast, or else my brother will beat the ever-loving Christ out of you.
Dang.
Come, my queen. No one will find us down here.
No, Nezuko! No,
Inosuke's the GOAT, by the way.
Could you stay here,
Thomas.
my queen?
It's Choo Charles.
Father, I've become a pillar just as you asked me to. Are you proud of me?
Are you still a virgin?
Until
Dang.
marriage.
Then no.
Why am I the
He's
only
keeping
one
it a
who gets
buck.
shitty dream?
Jeez, that fucking hurts! Goku, what are you doing to that girl?
Dad,
Oh,
today
man.
I will become a man.
You're the one doing this, aren't you?
Clever.
Bro, he's gonna die a virgin? That's crazy.
Yeah, you must be great at handjobs.
I merged with this
Oh
train.
my gosh.
All the passengers are practically in my stomach. And as the good villain I am in this series, I will use my tentacles to do things to your little sister.
Nobody.
Pause.
Queen.
My king!
That was so pause.
I'm too lazy.
Yeah, I prefer Inosuke.
I
Dang.
knew it.
He's GOAT. He's the GOAT.
The train was a demon.
And what else?
Yes, sir.
Your sister was a bunny, and I was taking her to a cave.
Yeah, I prefer Zenitsu.
And we also.
Bro is so swole for no reason.
It'd be better if we cut its head off. It's probably at the front of the train.
Well, you slash the front, and I'll slash the last card.
Yeah, whatever.
One in the pink, two in the stink.
Yes, and we've already gained $500 million.
And you weren't even relevant.
Not for long, Kyojiro Rengoku. Your
Oh, gosh.
persistence and determination are admirable.
Oh lord.
He wants to turn
Bro, his steam is so gas.
Worse. Let's play Raid Shadow Legends, Kyojiro.
Won't.
Rage.
Install Raid Shadow Legends today.
No, I don't think I will.
Oh, really?
Bro's popping a whole ad right now.
Legends, the most immersive RPG experience. Get ready to raid, explore, fight, choose your champions, defeat bosses. Play Raid Shadow Legends, Kyojiro.
Ninth form. No, how kind. Thank you.
Dang, that was so loud. Oh.
Oh, shit, I killed him. Forget me.
Bro made him a donut.
Come back here, you son of a bitch! You fucking coward! Fucking shit! You fucking piece of fucking shit!
Oh my gosh.
You can go suck my dick, you stupid ass fucking piece of shit!
Tanjiro, shut up. It is done, I will die.
I'll never forget about all the great memories I have with you. Like when you...
That was crazy. Broken.
When you almost
Man,
killed that...
they didn't have to do Rengoku like that for
I
real.
went too far.
Did you die as a virgin?
Yes.
Bruh.
Disappoint me.
No mames. No mames. Nah, Rengoku definitely got coup, bro. There's no way. Bro's immaculate.
What was his name again?
Bruh. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment if you want, and I'll see you in the next video.